guys, welcome to today's video. I'm just going to do like a really kind of like hopefully quick tutorial on how I created this eye look using the new 39L Hit the Lights Christmas Morphe palette. That was a lot of words. I'll just show you the palette real quick. So I'm going to be trying to do like a few tutorials with this palette. If I just put the film, maybe you'll kind of understand it a little bit more. So the palette's actually a collaboration with 4 different influencers, and then they've each divided the palette into 8 shades, and those shades are all kind of different, and then you've got, I don't know how many colours in the middle that are like a main colour, if that makes any sense. So for this look, I have used these 8 here, and I haven't actually heard of this collaborator before, this influencer. Her username is XTHUYLE. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, but yeah, I've kind of gone for this like cool like Arabic glam sort of makeup, and I'll just show you how to create the eyes. So if you want to see how I make this look, then please continue watching. Like I said, I'll try and do like a tutorial for each section, and maybe I'll collaborate some of the sections together as well. I really like this palette. It's a really beautiful palette. It was only £42, so I think it's pretty good still considering how many colours you get in it. Also, just a quick mention, I used the TL4 tattoo lashes as well, so that's kind of what they look like. I really love those as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!